driving through the outer suburbs of New Orleans, intending to go for a little bit of a drive through the lower 9th Ward, which is the area that was most affected by Hurricane Katrina in 2005. A lot of the place has still not been rebuilt. It was under several meters of water and pretty much wiped out. Yeah, I think it was the very poor part of town, and they didn't maintain the levees and things that's supposed to hold back the water as well in that area. So areas like the Garden District were okay, but a lot of the poorer, lower lying areas, because a lot of these areas are actually below the normal river level, let alone the level of the river when it's flooding. We drove through it last time I was here and it was quite bleak. I'm just crossing over the bayou, the canal that broke its banks and flooded the lower 9th Ward during Hurricane Katrina. I'm in City Park in New Orleans. This is a beautiful park, absolutely huge. It's full of big live oak trees with the Spanish moss hanging down from it, as you can see behind me. Very peaceful. There's lots of people here enjoying the outdoors. There's playgrounds, amusement parks, another Café du Monde. It's a really lovely spot. We're going for a bit of a bike ride in New Orleans. It's a great place to ride a bike because it's almost completely flat. So I'm still in City Park, but I'm actually going to ride down to the French Quarter. And yeah, it's a lovely greenway pretty much all the way to the French Quarter, with a bike track down the middle. So it'll be nice. Looking forward to it. No bike helmet though. They don't really do bike helmets here. They don't provide them and you're not required to wear them. So luckily I'm going on bike tracks most of the way, so it shouldn't be a problem. So this blue bike system's awesome, really easy to use and pretty cheap as well. It's really lovely to go for a bit of a ride in the fresh air. It's a bit cooler when you've got some wind blowing on you. Back in the French Quarter, wandering around. I thought yesterday was humid, but I was wrong. Today is extremely humid. It's not as hot, but certainly more moisture in the air. I'm in mid-city New Orleans. I'm going to the Parkway Tavern, and it's said that this is where they invented the po' boy. It's certainly one of the best regarded places for po' boy. Hopefully they have the oyster ones. That's a very Louisiana thing, and I'd quite like to try that. the roast beef one was a little bit drippy for me yesterday, so yeah, let's see how it goes. So it turns out I was pretty lucky to have an oyster po' boy because I only have them a couple of days a week. So now I'm going to jump back on a bike and ride back to where my car is parked. Just riding through City Park again. It has this awesome train line around the southern part of City Park. It's quite a long loop. And unfortunately, it only runs on the weekend, so it's a Thursday and I'm heading off tomorrow. I'm not going to be able to go on the train. Anyone who knows me will know that that is very sad, but I'll probably get over it. Literally, there we go, over the train line. So I just drove across the Pontchartrain Causeway, which goes from New Orleans straight up north across Lake Pontchartrain at its pretty much its widest point. I can't remember exactly how many kilometres long it is, but it's, I believe, the longest bridge over water in the world, unbroken, because a lot of bridges that go over large spans of water might be kind of longer, but often they have little islands that they're going between, whether they're man-made or natural ones, whereas this one doesn't. It's just a bridge for miles and miles, and when you first get on the bridge you can't see the other side of the lake, and I didn't start really seeing the other side of the lake until I was maybe a third of the way across or something. It was pretty impressive. Yeah, anyway, I'm at the Abita Brewery. Abita beer is the beer of choice in this area. Generally, it's all of the cool places, Frenchman Street and other places, serve Abita beer. So I thought I'd come to their tap room and have a sip. The reason I'm over this side of the lake is because I'm going on to a cooking class over here. I was a bit early, so I thought I'd come and have a look at the brewery as well.